In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run and export a general ledger report in QuickBooks Online. The general ledger is a complete record of every transaction by account within a chosen period, and it's a go-to report for reviews, reconciliations, and sharing details with your accountant or team. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company file. From your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and select Reports. This is your reporting hub, where all standard and custom reports live. At the top of the Reports page, you'll see a search bar labeled Type Report Name here. Click into that field and start typing General Ledger. As you type, matching reports will appear. Select General Ledger from the results to open it. Now, set your date range at the top of the report. You can choose a preset like this year or last month, or enter custom dates to match exactly what you're analyzing. If you are reviewing a specific project or closing a period, custom dates are especially helpful. Keep in mind that a wider date range will produce a longer report, which is great for full-year reviews, but may take a bit more time to load. When your dates are set, run the report. Depending on your version of QuickBooks Online, you may see a Run Report button. Click it to refresh. If you don't see a button, don't worry. The report updates automatically as soon as you change the dates. From here, you have a few useful options to work with the report. If you want to analyze or sort the data further, choose Export and select Excel. Excel is ideal for filtering, adding notes, or combining with other data. If you're sending a clean, read-only copy to someone else, choose Export and select PDF for a polished snapshot. If you prefer a hard copy for meetings or reviews, use the print option to get a paper version directly. You can also tailor what appears in the report using Customize. Filter by account to narrow the ledger to one or more specific accounts, especially helpful when you're investigating a balance. Filter by memo to surface transactions with particular notes, which is great for tracking details entered by your team. And filter by transaction type to focus on things like bills, invoices, or journal entries for a more targeted review. That's it. You've opened, run, customized, and exported your general ledger in QuickBooks Online. Save your preferred settings so it's even faster next time, and you'll have a reliable workflow for accurate, shareable financial details.